How's it going, guys? This is Skeleton Key here, and today I have for us another version of the Master 1534D. If you are a big follower of my channel, you might see that I have decoded one of these before, and this is just another one that I have. I am a fan of decoding these locks. I think they are really good practice. I think they present a little bit more of a challenge than some of the other ones I've had on my channel, but they definitely suffer from three main security flaws that you'll see me reference during the decoding process. The first is that there is auditory clues as you're going through. You might be able to hear as you go through the disc. Let's say M was the correct letter or number. You might be able to hear a more solid click or a louder click, and that will also pick up on the video when it's on the right letter and number. The other clue that usually helps you out with decoding these is just feeling. And that can include, for example, if I go on the M and I feel a more solid click or maybe even a kind of thud of some sort, that helps me know that I'm on the right letter number. You also might start to feel the shackle pull away from the body a bit. It drops a little bit when you hit the right one, and that's usually a big giveaway. And then the last one on this kind of lock is that there's a tendency for it to get stuck when you've hit the right letter number. So using M as an example again, it might take a lot of effort to pull away from M to L or N, but if you go to another letter number, say P, and try to go from P to O or P to Q, it takes a lot less effort. And that's definitely the biggest giveaway when decoding any kind of lock, but especially this one. And you will see me reference these all in the video up ahead, so please enjoy. All right, so we're going to start off with the disc furthest to the right. Let's see if we can get anything out of this. Okay, felt a click. And we're just applying tension through pulling down the shackle here on the right. So I felt a click, felt a little bit of a movement here. Feels like this is giving a little bit. So we're going to move on to the next disc, see if I can get anything from that. Move this disc just so it gets out of my way. Nothing yet. Felt a couple numbers that maybe clicked into place a little bit, but nothing enough to make me say that's set. Actually, maybe 9. So we'll say 9 for now. On that one, though, it wasn't quite as clear. I just felt a small click. Might have felt something K, but I'm hearing a click on K, so I'm going to leave it there for now. I might have to go back through these again though, just to confirm all of them if it doesn't open on my last disc. Sometimes these locks can be a little tricky with the feedback. Let's see. Nothing too much here. Could be W or Z. Nothing too clear. Put on Z and try skipping over now. Definitely felt like P was hard to turn. And R. I think it's Q. So it didn't open yet. So I know it was 2, pre-commed on 9. So I'm going to try the K and Z again. These locks are always a little bit of the trial and error process, as well as feeling for feedback. Definitely gets your hand a little bit sore though. I much prefer feeling with hands over using audio in these, because sometimes these numbers click and they don't. It's not the right one. Okay, I'm going to leave that for now. Let's try going this. Oh, there we go. Got it. Perfect. And just so you guys can see the inside of this. So the way this works is that this cap can come off. This is actually a pretty cool design on this one. The cap can come off, and you can see if I pull it this way, you can see the ball bearing in here. I think I can push it back and forth. Barely. So it's good that it's a ball bearing. And so the way this lock works is that the combo that will open it is red. And then obviously the ones that don't work are just clear. So you lamp the red here, they give you an assortment of discs, and you can just create your own combo this way. And it's good decoding practice because you can continually just put on the discs a different way without looking, or have someone else do it, and just go about it that way. So pretty cool design. Definitely some security flaws, but I definitely recommend it for practice decoding. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe. All stuff is greatly appreciated, and I will see you guys in the next video.